I guess here 9 plus 3 power 2 is 9 times 8 divided by 4 in bracket 4 power 2. Here 9 plus 9 is 18 times 8 divided by 4 is 2 power 2. Here 18 times, here 2 power 2 is 4. Here 18 times 4 is 72 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 72 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation here. 9 plus 3 power 2 times, here inside the bracket we have 8 divided by 4 is 2 power this 2. The next priority is the exponent. We have exponent here and here. So we have to do this before this addition. So 9 plus, here 3 power 2 is 9 times, here 2 power 2 is 4. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. So 9 plus 9 times 4 is 36. Here 9 plus 36 is 45 is the correct answer.